Fuel filler cap mechanism tested. Porsche 911 rear quarter filler door closes flush. Hydraulics tested.
Porsche 911 paint finish checked in light tunnel. Reflections perfect. Metallic flake glimmer under bright lamps. Brake intact. Porsche 911 on dynamometer. Brake pads bed in, rotors cooled. Reading captured. Emissions and exhaust test stand. Porsche 911 exhaust sampled. Emissions checked. Data logged.
Air conditioning and HVAC test. Porsche 911 ventilation, heat, and cold cycles tested under lab conditions.
Rain and splash mud test on underbody. Porsche 911 exposed to muddy water jets. Undercarriage resilience checked.
Corrosion salt spray chamber exposure test. Porsche 911 metal panels endure salt fog for durability certification.
Fire-resistant material check for interiors to maroon. Porsche 911 seat fabrics and trim subjected to flame test. Electrical short circuit simulation. Porsche 911 wiring harness tested for overload protection. Interior finishing check 4/8. Seats, carpets, headliner, trims cleaned, dust-free before sealing.
Tire pressure and brake check again after wash. Porsche 911 ready for delivery, all clear.
First drive prep. Porsche 911 onboard computer reset. Oil and fluid levels checked. Tire temp measured. Sound check. Porsche 911 interior with doors closed, external engine off the ring. Near silent, EV-like quietness in cabin.
Instrumentation test drive 3-booth. Speedometer, tachometer, engine gauges all tested on Porsche 911 with attached jump.
Exhaust tone tuning, Porsche 911 revved at 3,000, 5,000, and 7,000 RPM. Muffler resonance recorded.
Fuel cap and emissions filler cap test. Porsche 911 filler sealed. Evaporative emission system checked.
Navigation and driver assist system boot up. Porsche 911 infotainment screen starts. Radar sensors active.
Airbag cover molding and fit check. Porsche 911 dashboard airbags closed, seam flush, warning lights checked.
Roof crush safety test. Porsche 911 roof loaded with heavy weight. Structural integrity scanned.
Side impact protection test. Porsche 911 side panels hit by crash sled. Safety cage strength validated.
Corrosion protection zapper rinse test. Porsche 911 underbody sprayed with salted water. Rust inhibitors checked.
Engine heat soak test. Porsche 911 engine runs at high temp for 2 hours. Cooling system stability reviewed.
Fuel pump pressure test. Porsche 911 fuel delivery measured under full load conditions. Transmission shift cycle test. Porsche 911 gearbox shifted 2,000 times. Shifting time recorded.
Clutch or dual clutch fluid temperature cycle test. Porsche 911 under heavy load. Heat stability measured.
Hard braking initiated. Run 5 complete.
Copy that. Temperatures are peaking at 600. Bring it in.
Interior material fade test. Upholstery exposed to sunlight for 100 hours. Color degradation measured.
Seat cushion compression test. Porsche 911 seats compressed 10,000 times. Foam integrity tracked.
Water ingress under high pressure hose test. Porsche 911 door seals sprayed. No leaks allowed.
Dashboard instrument electrics humidity test. Porsche 911 cabin humidified. Electrical integrity verified.
Seat mount strength stress test. Porsche 911 seat bolted, force applied, mounting bolts torque checked.
Headlight housings waterproof test. Porsche 911 lights submerged partially in water tank, sealed tight.
Interior carpet fire retardant compliance test. Flame line run across Porsche 911 floor mats. Pedal box durability test. Porsche 911 pedals depressed 50,000 times. Check rebound speed.
Trailer hitch mounting check, if option.
Porsche 911 rear subframe inspected for towing load capacity.
Bluetooth and infotainment stress test run for 24 hours. Stress test complete.
CAN bus and ECU diagnostics run full cycle. Porsche 911 electronics scan, error-free.
Climate control AC longevity test. Porsche 911 AC cycles 100 times between hot and cold. Performance stable.
Electric mirror folding motor stress test. Porsche 911 mirrors fold/unfold 500 times without noise.
Brake light bulb and LED module longevity test. Porsche 911 lights flashed 100,000 times. Brightness stable.
Sensor calibration for ABS, traction, stability systems. Porsche 911 sensors aligned. Test readouts validated. Software boot and firmware upgrade test. Porsche 911 ECU updated. System reboots cleanly. Infotainment stable.
Horn reduced to seatbelt alarm. Warning light test has log orbit.
Documentation and build sheet printing. Porsche 911 build log and quality certificate printed, ready for registry.
Distribution center sign-off, shipping papers, VIN matching, final scan. Porsche 911 cleared for export/import.
Experience the icon, the Porsche 911, capturing the golden hour in stunning detail.
Wheel show, alloy rims, brake calipers, tire tread close-up. Porsche 911 ready for track or road.